Hello, Mr. GC. Today I'm going to be showing you my Circuit Lab 2. Before anything, I want to show you how I solve this problem. I first start by doing the sketch of my circuit. After that, I do this table and label it VIR. After that, I then add my ohms to the table as we label 5, 4, and 7 ohms. After we do that, we will find the amount of amps that pass throughout the whole entire circuit by using Ohm's law. V equals I times R. We substitute for the values. After that, we have a battery of 20 volts, and if we add the ohms, we will get the total amount of resistance, which is 16, substituted for R. We then divide 20 over 16, giving us a total of 125 amps passing throughout the circuit. Once we know the amount of amps that we will be passing throughout the entire circuit, we add the values in our table for I. Because in a series circuit, the amount of amps is always the same, all the values are 1.25 amps. After that, we will finally find the amount of volts each individual resistor has, again using Ohm's law. We substitute I and R for the values, and we get the amount of ohms that each resistor makes. Once we did that, we can check by adding the amount of volts, and if our answer is the same as the amount of volts your battery has, then your answer is correct. Now in the simulator, we start by adding a battery with 20 volts. We add wires and resistors, adding the individual values for the resistors. And after that, we use the amp meter to make sure the same amount of amps are passing by throughout the whole entire circuit, as well as we use a voltmeter to make sure that the amount of volts created by each resistor is correct.